Hey guys, it's Rita. Ignore the bed in the background that hasn't been made up today, but I'm here with an Easter DIY. I hope you enjoy it. I'll be using several items from the Dollar Tree today. Some floral foam, a garden trellis, a tin, one of the ones from Dollar Tree. All the items today are from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using a bunny that I paid 25 cents for at the Dollar Tree that was full of glitter. I did sand that down. I'll be using acrylic paint, chalk paint, some of the carrots, Easter eggs, grass, and filler. So just stay tuned and keep watching. I evidently lost some footage, but I did sand this bunny down. It was blue and glittery. I'm going to take some, I think it's melted chocolate acrylic paint, and paint the bunny. I will be wrapping it in twine, and actually the twine I'm using is from Walmart. Jute, twine, whichever you call it. But I want it to paint the bunny brown so none of the blue would show through. I will be using some of this grass. I think I used a total of 2 or 3 bunches. I'm going to clip these apart. They're in little sections in there, and then at the end you'll have some that are just wrapped by themselves. And here I'm just placing the floral foam in the container and inserting the separated pieces of grass. And this is what it should look like once you have your grass in place. So now I'll take the jute from Walmart and I'll wrap the entire bunny. You do want to use hot glue as you go. When I did the ears, I wasn't using hot glue around and noticed that it was a little loose. So you do want to use hot glue as you go around the bunny. And now I have the ears complete, so I will just continue to wrap. This did take a little bit of time, but it is worth it in the end, so just keep going. So I've changed positions and hopefully you can see this a little bit better now. And finally, the bunny is complete. The hot glue was crazy. Okay, so now we'll work on completing the project. Here is your little tin with the grass in it. I'm going to use some filler in the bottom and then place grass on top of that. I'll also be adding some Easter eggs, some small and large ones, and I will be attaching the bunny and attaching some carrots also. Sorry guys, I turned my camera so you could get a better view of the entire project, and I couldn't figure out how to flip it, so sorry about that. So now I'm just attaching the bunny with a little hot glue. And here I'll place some of the little gold Easter eggs, and I'm also going to use some larger ones in the back. I apologize again, I'm a little off camera, but I'm just tying some twine around the top of the carrot, and then I'll attach it to the garden trellis. And here I'll place some of those larger Easter eggs in the back. And I did decide to add the other 2 carrots, and I'll also add some butterflies to the very top. And here I'm adding the butterflies, and I believe it's off camera, but you will see the complete project in just a moment. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed the DIY today. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. comment below and share the video. Thanks again and have a great day.